Let me tell you something important. You don't need a degree to start a career in cybersecurity. In this video, I will show you how to break into the field step by step, the skills, tools, certification, and strategies you need to land your first job. Let's dive in. Most job posting says bachelor degree required, but in reality, employers want skills and proof more than paper. Plenty of professionals enter via cybersecurity certifications, projects, and self-study. Cybersecurity is a skill-first industry. And let me tell you an insider tip. I don't have a cybersecurity degree. What I have is skills, and it helped me kick out a lot of competitors who had degrees. Okay, for next up, let's understand some common cybersecurity rules. First, we have SOC analyst. It's a defensive role. It involves monitoring threats, same tools. Next, we have penetration testing. It's an offensive role. It involves ethical hacking, red teaming. If you are into cybersecurity, I'm sure you have heard of it. Next, we have cloud security specialist. It basically involves securing AWS, Azure, and GCP. Next up, we have GRC compliance and list. It includes policies and risk framework. If you are someone who's not into coding or technical stuff, GRC is your field. Pick one path to start. You don't have to know everything, just enough to get your foot in the door. Next up, here are some common skills you might need. Networking fundamental, understanding TCP/IP, ports, protocol, operating system, Linux, Windows, and Mac if you prefer it. Cybersecurity basic, malware, phishing, encryption, hands-on lab, TryHackMe, HackTheBox, picoCTF. You can try all this. Next, you have programming and scripting, Python, Bash, PowerShell, optional but powerful. I suggest you start with Bash. Next up, you have building hands-on experience. This is where you beat degree holders. Set up a home lab, document project, install and configure a SIM, write a script to detect failed logins, solve CTF challenges, post your work on GitHub or LinkedIn. If it's not documented, it doesn't exist. Certification. For certification, you can go and visit my video on certifications. I think this is more important than anything. That is networking and community. Here's the thing, and it's scary. Mostly 60 to 70% of the employees are hired by networking. You can see how impactful networking really is. Join cybersecurity discords, Reddit, and LinkedIn groups. Attend conferences. Contribute to open source security projects. Find a mentor. Next, let me tell you some entry-level jobs that you can try. SOC analyst, cybersecurity analyst, security operation and assistant, GRC, compliance assistant. Sometimes you start in IT, support or help desk and change into cybersecurity within 6 to 12 months. The final roadmap, learn the basic of networking plus Linux, build home lab and document project, earn 2 to 3 beginner certs, tailor resume and apply. Okay, here's the final roadmap. Learn basics of networking and Linux, build a home lab and document project, earn 1 or 2 beginner certificates, tailor your resume and apply even if you don't tick every box. Keep learning. Cybersecurity changes fast. Cybersecurity is one of the most rewarding career, both in impact and income, and you don't need a degree to start. What you need is proof, hand-on skill, projects, and persistence. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this: your skills are your degree. Thanks for watching, and if you want more insider tips from this field, hit the subscribe button and let's secure the future together. See you in the next one.